Today I want to share a very little tip on the accessories of a DJI Phantom 4 Pro plus drones. As we all know, forever who had used the Phantom 4, kwa yoyote ambaye anayo au anamiliki this kind of drones, so we always buy this stuff with the control, but also we buy with only one battery. It comes with only one battery, some of them when it's new. So kwa most of operations zetu unakuta unahitaji additional battery, especially unapokuwa una fly, unafanya survey eneo kubwa, unafanya aerial photograph, unafanya kazi eneo kubwa. So wengi pia tuna kwa attempt kununua battery, unaongeza battery, lakini the system of charging is good, it's not much friendly. As you can see, hii ni poti kwa ajili ya kuchaji control, na hii ni poti kwa ajili ya ku-update Phantom, lakini pia kwa ajili ya kuchaji battery. So unaweza ukaona hapa ni inanipa room ya kuchaji battery moja kwa wakati mmoja. Kwa hiyo kama na battery tatu, na hii it goes like more than 1 hour with 1 hour to 45 minutes, unatakiwa useti muda wa kuweza kuwa unabadilisha na kuchange hii. So what I wanted to share with you today is this device. This is a very nice device. It called the Smart Tree, and Smart Tree, it gives you a room to charge all 3 battery at once. You can see this. So I have this device here, and with this device I can put the port. Then I put all 3 battery back. So as you can see now, my all battery are on the one Smart Tree hub, and they're charging. As the system works with this device, you can see all are charged at once. So it's very easy and it's very effective to have this kind of device, and I can advise with experience, it's good to have this kind of device, even 1 or 2, if you have more than 1 battery and you're using